Introduce features interest for VOSFEEL pressure washer 3500 PSI, 1.8 GPM electric power washer 1800 watt high pressure cleaner for cleaning car homes driveways patios fences VOSFEEL. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 3500 PSI maximum, 1800 watts, 1.8 GPM high pressure cleaner guarantees every efficient cleaning with minimum effort. It not only brings greater comfort when cleaning all surfaces but also saves valued time, energy, and water. With 4 quick connect nozzles with different spray patterns of 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees create variable pressures for specified cleaning jobs. And the soap nozzle to disperse soap on a surface for an easier clean. The TSS, Total Stop System, automatic shutdown system can automatically turn off the machine without touching the trigger and prevent continuous high voltage damage of the motor and prolong the service life of the pump. The washer is equipped with 35 feet power cord with UL certified plug providing more safety feature. 20 feet high pressure hose with integrated hose reel offers convenient hose use and store. It is also wear resisting, high temperature resistant, and leak proof. The copper outlet pipe joint is corrosion resistant and does not rust. The connection between the hose and the spray gun is a quick insertion device. Enjoy greater flexibility with the washer's unique capability of running with an alternative water source, like a bucket or barrel. Power wash and rejuvenate your home without the constraint of water facilities. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.